Boy, is that a piece of wood?
Yep.
I feel like I need to change up what I say at first, and I never know what to say. Oh, what's up, guys? We got a call for this F-150 right here. I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna get these guys out of here.
Yo.
What up, what up? We got a strap, but it broke on the last one, so I don't know if you want to use it.
No, we got everything we need.
Alright, well, do you got any front hooks? No, I don't. You just pull up the pants though. I'd probably go to the control one. Boy, is that a piece of wood?
Hey, whoa, hey, don't worry about it. Let's hold the speakers up.
Yeah, I'd probably slap it to the control arm. So the easiest thing is to go back that way, but turning you around. Alright. You know.
There's a bathroom? I'll give you the bathroom. You'll show me? Okay. Let me take off my shoes.
Alright,
I'm
so
coming.
I think the easiest thing to do is if I hook up to you with a little bit of shorter rope, we can come off this and bring you down on both sides, and then you'll be able to drive or back. Basically, I'd get it hooked up and I'll get
Cause he's rear-wheel drive only. I didn't realize that.
two-wheel drive.
Yep.
Yeah,
That's
does
fun.
it even have
No, that 3.7, not.
I thought you made it this far.
It was all hard
Is that
until
the
we got
3.4 EcoBoost or the 3.5 EcoBoost?
Is that a 2.7 or a 3.5? Mark, 2.7 or 3.5? 3.5. Alright, I'll just get in there, go in and try and I'll pop it easy at first, if not I'll pop it a little harder. And I know you rough, so we'll try and swing as wide as we can and come down on the other side. We'll stop getting
Made that look kind of easy. Yeah.
We're going to take the low side and then eventually we'll have to jump up some to get to the top, so keep the momentum up. We'll try and get it there. Alright, well, there we go. We got him up and moving. We're going to try and guide him to the ramp without getting stuck again, so we'll see how that goes. See ya. What is it, a Land Rover?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, we got a call for a little Land Rover here on the north end, bogged down. Get out of here.
I was fine. I was going backwards and somebody stopped.
I live here and I drive these like once a week. And it's really, why is it so heavy today? The sand.
Yeah, everybody's here today.
There's so many people rolling through it.
Yeah.
And the tide has to come high. The flood all is going to dump.
but then it hasn't really hasn't wet it much.
Yeah.
It's dried out. But
I just get high centered. I mean,
Yeah.
we
Basically
drive
what
out
it
here
is.
all the time, but today was just different.
We were at, like, when we wanted to get
I think if I can just get to that.
right.
Yeah.
I mean, we can do that. I can
Yeah,
go
I'm
to
gonna
the
get to the
receiver,
back.
and then
Yeah.
I'll jack you up probably to that hard patch out there, and then really from there it's up to you. I mean, I guarantee to the ramp if you're trying to leave, go back that way or try and go that way, and I'll follow out.
No, I'll go that way.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. Yeah. So I'll get you that hard patch. You can turn around. Yeah. That's perfect.
Need it in reverse or everything.
Yeah, so once I get it hooked up, I will want you in reverse. Give it a little bit of gas to help me, and we'll take it, and then you'll basically turn it slightly driver's side to bring us down on the hard side.
Why didn't I think about that though? All the driving on it, stops the same.
Especially on a hot day like this, the sun beaming on it.
Otherwise, right?
Right,
Yep.
yeah. I mean, sometimes there's a soft lane, but it's not normally this deep.
Yeah.
Pulling a lot out today.
Yeah, today's definitely been busier than the last week again. There's a lot of extra people in town for Easter.
Yeah.
You know, holiday weekend is busy for everybody.
Good for you guys, though.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, I used to have trucks just like that.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah,
All
it's
right, here we
here.
go, you ready?
Reverse.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Go way up.
Just stay out of the way.
Yep.
Allie, can you get turned around? So turn around what? That way?
Yep, so he's on the hard sand here, so he can turn around on this hard sand, and then you get a little momentum, get back in the ruts, and you should be just fine, and I'll follow you down that way. Yeah. No, you're fine, don't worry. That's the
It
good thing
happens.
about being in sand, it doesn't really do anything.
How did you feel that?
Huh?
Did you feel that jolt?
The kinetic rope actually makes it feel a lot smoother than it looks.
Yeah?
Oh,
Feel better
we're
than it
going to
turned.
go right into his hole.
I'm telling you, it's a bad, it's
I
a
got it. Keep that as a souvenir. All right. Get turned around, and I'll follow you out of here, okay? Yeah.
All right. Have a great day.
There we go. Got him. Time to go home, and me and Christian finally get lunch at 4:30. Hey.
Oh.
Hi. Good. About yourself?
Oh, they're listening.
Fair enough. What was your name?
Bill.
Bill. John. Nice to meet you. All right. Let's see. You know if you got a hitch under here?
Yeah, there's a hitch.
You do. Awesome. Oh, it just comes off. Oh, that's awesome. All right. So I think that's going to help us a lot. I'll have you take that. I honestly, well,
We'll do it back. Going backward.
I was going to say, I honestly think if I pull you into this little valley right here and you're on top, you can scoot down and then we can get your speed up and get you back going again and get you out of here. So once I get this hooked up, I'll just have you get in there, put it in reverse, and just give me a little bit of gas and we'll just try and creep it back into this ravine and then you can try and pull down.
Sounds awesome, man. Thank you.
Of course, happy to help. Here we go. I think that's probably good. See if you can, will it back up a few more feet? Backward, back up. And turn the wheel a little bit that way. A little bit, a little bit. All right, I think you'll be okay. Let me unhook. All right, go ahead and crank driver and try and turn off the hill. Oh, I think you might have still heard me. Go ahead and crank it driver's side and try and slowly turn down the hill. awesome. And then so you basically just take this, you know, get your speed back up, and you should be able to just ramp in with momentum back in the ruts down, and I'll be following you, okay?
Oh, well, hell.
Yeah, I'm going that way anyway, so I might as well make sure you get out of here.
You think I should go up right in here? Right?
Yep, I would come down here and get your speed up and then shoot up right before them.
Got it.
All right, have a good one. Sweet.
Like and subscribe to Santo, they're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.